My 87-year-old mother drives a 2005 Subaru Legacy GT manual. I think Subaru needs to look into it because she might be the oldest 2.5 Legacy GT driver out there. That car only has 45,000 miles on it, man. The shifter was starting to flop around like mad though because the bushing is wore out in the shift linkage U-joint. I bought the kit from Cartboy to upgrade while I was in there doing the repair. I also got a solid linkage from Torque Solutions as well. I did the job using my very cool EcoFlow Delta 2 power station to power my quick jack in my garage. I'm so pleased with the way it came out. The precisions of the shifts now are awesome. I found YouTube videos and took my time. Mr. Subaru 1387 is always clutch. I enjoy learning, and it's satisfying to do the upgrade and repair myself. Once I removed that double pin from the bottom, which was the hardest thing, I was able to pull the whole linkage out through the center console area, and you can see how rusted that is, and that pivot point as well. So I'm pleased with the job.